Here's our look ahead to Thursday's key political and financial events. Still fairly quiet as the new year slowly shifts into gear. The fiscal cliff drama, one less thing for investors to worry about heading into the end of the week. But the relief could be short-lived, says Cantor Index analyst David Buick.
Investors around the world will be relatively tolerant. And I'm not saying that the rally will end in the next week, but I think it could end in the next 6 weeks if we don't see some real progress made in cutting that fiscal debt and that dreadful ceiling of debt, which is absolutely gargantuanly unacceptable.
After today's business survey showed Eurozone factories sinking deeper into recession, investors looking for further signs of the state of the region's economies. German jobless data are expected to show the unemployment rate holding steady at 6.9%. Although the number of people out of work is growing, joblessness remains near its lowest level since German reunification more than 20 years ago. Here in the UK, house prices likely to have stagnated again in December. Nationwide survey expected to show prices unchanged on the month and 0.9% lower than a year ago. PMI data likely to show construction activity picking up slightly, but still below the 50 mark, separating growth from contraction. Investors get some idea of how the retail sector has fared over the crucial Christmas period tomorrow when Next releases Q4 trading numbers. Shares in the UK fashion chain up some 40% this year, with its online and catalogue businesses helping it avoid the worst of the downturn. In fixed income, the UK Treasury auctioning 1% 5-year gilts tomorrow. And finally, in world news, a court in Islamabad will hear the case of a British woman facing the death penalty after being charged with trying to smuggle 63 kilos of heroin out of Pakistan. That's our look ahead to Thursday. I'm Axel Threlfall. This is Reuters.